Okay, hello everyone. This is James, Living Gardens Homestead. We're out here today getting ready to get into our hives. I've got 2 hives left out of 5 over the winter. And what I'm going to do is there's one box that they're coming out the side of because the box is partially rotten. And I'm just getting ready to switch them out of their boxes and put some new boxes or repainted boxes back in their place. That way they can have a fresh painted hive to go through this summer with. And I'm going to show you how to do that. And not only that, you'll see my hive top feeders here. I've had them on there past day or so they could get some sugar syrup. But it's supposed to start turning cold again, so I'm gonna have to change those out. But I'm gonna show you how I check my bees. While I'm checking them, I'm going to switch out their hive and show you how to do that. They've definitely been eating on the pollen patties. So you can see the grooves that was between the frames that they were eating on. Now this colony, if you'll notice, it's not that big. I only see a couple frames of bees. So we're going to check and see how they're doing on the inside. Okay, we've got honey on this frame. Now what I'm going to do is I think I'm just going to go ahead and set this colony over to the side. Set this board off. Put me a new one on here. Got a hive stand here. Freshly painted bottom board. Now, I thought I had brought a box out, but I didn't, so I guess I'll use this one over here. All right, I got the frames out of that one. Now, I will put this on here. There's me a new box. I'll take the frames out of the old box and put them in just as I am taking them out, so I'm not disturbing them a whole lot. Another frame's got some honey on it. Another frame with some honey. There's an empty frame. I think I'll stick it over the side. There's a frame with some probably sugar syrup in it. So I got just a little bit of brood there. Here's my queen. See my queen? I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this one to the side. Because I'm going to need to mark her. She really ain't been laying a whole lot. She got a little bit of bruise, so I would think she would have been laying by now. Just a little bit of honey on that one. This hive don't look that well with brood. And that's solid honey. Now I've caught the queen, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark her. She's a last year's queen, so I'm going to use green. And see if I can get her to flip over. All right. I'm a little shaky. Now I've got a little green dot on her back. I'll let that dry a minute. As you can see, there she is. She's painted green. But you can see a few larvae in there. I don't know if you can see it there or not. Maybe if I get out of the sun. But she's not laying that good. But we'll put this back in here. Now she could be just slow at building up, or she might be a bad queen. But anyway, here she is, and we're going to release her back into the hive. Maybe you can see that. See if we can release her back into the hive. Help her out a little bit. All right, can you see her there on the frame? Now I'm going to raise this up and release her. There she goes. Now this hive is not ready for another box. I'm going to knock these bees that's in this box back down into the hive. Now, we'll put a pollen patty back on them after I smoke them down. And I would say put it right over the brood, but you know, we don't have much brood in there. Hopefully she'll go to laying. Now, and on your top boards, you can flip those over on the side that has a deeper spot, and that allows for your pollen patties. Now this hive, it's done. But now I'm going to have to start into the other hive. Here we're getting ready to go into this next hive. Hopefully it's in better shape than this hive was. Okay. They've eaten some of the pollen patty, but as you can see, they haven't took a lot of it. Now, okay. That bottom board pretty dirty after the winter. Okay. Now, this one here, I was going to put pollen trap on it. Oh, well, that don't look too bad. Now, plumb full. That one's empty. That one's empty. Starting to put pollen in this one. Oh yeah, this one's got more brood and eggs. I'll show you real quick. Now, can't keep them out too long. But you can see the brood and the eggs. That's on both sides. There's one frame. This colony seems to be doing better than the other colony. Side also. Take another quick look here. All right. Nothing there. Nothing there. The only reason I'm going over here is a lot of bees here for some reason. There it is, honey. So what we'll do is over here where there was nothing, instead of making them go all the way across the box to get it, we're just going to put it right here next to them. Now we're done with that one. Okay. Well, it don't look like neither colony that survived is looking too good, but the one has brood and stuff in it. Maybe they'll start building up. It may be a little early for them yet. Let's see, I need to pull this out. Then I need to loosen this up and drop that pollen box because I don't want to catch the pollen right now. Huh. That board's a little long for a box. Alright. Now they can get in there. But anyway, that's the 2 hives we had left over from winter time. Hopefully we can get them built up. And let me know down in the comments how your bees are doing. Are they doing okay? Have you got any hives that you've lost? Just let me know down in the comments. Anyway, this is James. If you don't care, give us a thumbs up and like and subscribe to our channel. But anyway, this is James from Living Gardens Homestead. Until the next video, goodbye.